Upgrade your kitchen with sleek functionality and mess-free convenience. The best kitchen sink soap dispenser blends style and practicality, keeping your countertops clean while ensuring easy access to soap or lotion, perfect for busy cooking, cleaning, and everyday routines. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Moen Stainless Sink Soap Dispenser. The Moen Stainless Sink Soap Dispenser is a sleek and functional upgrade for any kitchen sink, combining modern aesthetics with durable performance. Designed with ease of use in mind, the 18-ounce refillable bottle is accessible from the top, eliminating the frustration of reaching beneath the sink for refills. This practical design makes it a user-friendly solution for daily dishwashing or hand cleaning. One of its standout features is the spot-resist stainless finish, which effectively resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking cleaner and more polished with minimal effort. The dispenser seamlessly coordinates with Moen kitchen faucets, making it an excellent choice for those who want a unified and stylish sink area. Installation is simple and hassle-free, and the solid construction ensures that it will remain a reliable fixture in your kitchen for years. With a sleek, modern silhouette, the Moen soap dispenser doesn't just function well, it also elevates the overall look of your kitchen. Whether you're remodeling your space or just upgrading individual components, this dispenser offers the quality and design Moen is known for. Its durable builds combined with practical features like top-loading refills and a mess-resistant finish make it a standout choice for those looking for both form and function in their kitchen accessories. Number 2. PZOTRUF Sink Soap Dispenser. The PZOTRUF Sink Soap Dispenser takes kitchen hygiene to the next level with its touchless automatic design powered by an upgraded infrared sensor. This feature allows you to dispense soap simply by placing your hands within a 2.36-inch range of the sensor. No need to press or pump, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. It's perfect for busy households or anyone who values hands-free convenience, especially during cooking or cleaning. With a generous 17-ounce or 500 milliliter capacity, this soap dispenser minimizes the need for frequent refills. The transparent tank makes it easy to monitor soap levels at a glance. 5 adjustable volume settings let you control how much soap is dispensed, so you can prevent both waste and shortage depending on your needs. Constructed from high-quality, non-rust brushed aluminum, the dispenser offers a sleek, modern appearance that blends well with contemporary kitchen decor. It's also built to last, with IPX4 waterproofing and a leak-proof design, making it durable even in a high-moisture environment like the kitchen. The non-slip base and tight sealing rubber ring further enhance its longevity and functionality. Whether you're looking for a stylish addition to your countertop or prioritizing hygiene in your cooking space, the PZOTRUF Sink Soap Dispenser delivers an efficient, mess-free, and user-friendly experience. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to reduce germs while maintaining a modern and elegant look at the sink. Number 3. Lava Sink Soap Dispenser. The Lava Sink Soap Dispenser stands out for its premium build and sophisticated design, making it a top-tier choice for kitchen upgrades. The pump head is crafted from heavy-duty brass, offering long-lasting durability and a smooth dispensing action. Finished in brushed gold, it delivers a bold yet elegant touch that complements modern, farmhouse, and even vintage-style kitchens. This model coordinates seamlessly with Lava Adoro kitchen faucets, making it easy to achieve a cohesive, well-designed sink area. The nozzle extends a convenient 2.25 inches, providing easy access to the soak without messy dips. Its 18-ounce bottle can be refilled from above or below the sink, providing flexibility based on your preference. A single press yields a steady stream of soap, ensuring you use just the right amount with each pump. The dispenser also features a spot-free, hand-burnished finish that resists fingerprints and water stains, which helps keep your kitchen looking neat and clean. Installation is quick and simple thanks to the included mounting hardware and threaded connection that creates a leak-proof seal. Whether you're outfitting a new kitchen or upgrading an existing one, this dispenser blends utility with visual appeal,
the Lava Sink Soap Dispenser is a reliable and stylish solution for those who appreciate both form and functionality in their kitchen fixtures. Number 4. Hansgrohe Sink Soap Dispenser. The Hansgrohe Sink Soap Dispenser offers a refined blend of style, quality, and everyday functionality, making it an excellent addition to modern kitchens. As part of the Hansgrohe design line, this dispenser showcases a clean and flat design language that prioritizes simplicity and elegance. Its sleek profile, with a 2-inch diameter and a 2 3/4 inch above counter height, makes it unobtrusive while still offering a stylish presence near your kitchen faucet. Built with Hansgrohe's signature commitment to quality and performance, this dispenser is a testament to precision German engineering. The clean lines and minimalist silhouette allow it to complement a wide range of kitchen styles, from ultra-modern to transitional. Functionality is just as impressive as its aesthetics. With a generous 16-ounce capacity, this dispenser holds enough soap to minimize frequent refills, making it a convenient solution for busy kitchens. The included bottle and dispenser are designed to work seamlessly together, and the refill process is simple and efficient, saving you time and reducing mess. Although it may lack some of the bells and whistles found in high-tech or premium-priced options, the Hansgrohe soap dispenser stands out for its reliable construction, smooth pump action, and understated design. This model is particularly well-suited for homeowners who value quality craftsmanship over flashy extras. Its clean finish and compact form make it ideal for minimalist or European-style kitchens. Whether you're washing hands, cleaning dishes, or prepping food, the Hansgrohe dispenser ensures you always have soap at the ready, without cluttering your countertop or disrupting the visual flow of your sink area. Installation is quick and simple thanks to the included mounting hardware and threaded connection that creates a leak-proof seal. Overall, the Hansgrohe Sink Soap Dispenser is a strong contender for those looking to pair beauty with practicality. It offers a durable, elegant solution for soap dispensing that aligns with the brand's reputation for excellence in kitchen and bath design.
Number 5. Lava 18-ounce Sink Soap Dispenser. The Lava 18-ounce Sink Soap Dispenser delivers a perfect blend of elegance, practicality, and lasting performance for your kitchen. Featuring a heavy-duty brass pump head and a sleek matte black finish, this dispenser combines modern aesthetics with a durable construction built to withstand daily use. The bold black tone offers a timeless appeal, effortlessly complementing various kitchen styles, from modern to farmhouse. The long, ergonomically designed nozzle ensures a smooth, mess-free transition between pumping and dispensing, while the 18-ounce refillable bottle means fewer interruptions for soap refills. Refilling is easy too. You can top it off either by removing the head or from below the sink. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the included mounting hardware and waterproof, leak-resistant threaded connection. Whether you're replacing an old dispenser or enhancing a new kitchen setup, the Lava 18-ounce Sink Soap Dispenser offers reliability and style. It's a smart investment for those who appreciate premium materials, thoughtful design, and long-term convenience in their kitchen accessories.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.